spellings, what's it gonna say? A, right? Anytime one of those spellings comes up, it's going to say A. So remember our ones that could be a little bit tricky, right?
Yes.
These ones that don't even have an A in them can be a little tricky, but they're still gonna say A. We're gonna practice them saying A this week. Are you ready? Remember, my voice is going to say sound, but you're going to wait for the tap before you say the sound. Here we go. My turn first. Ready?
Yes.
A. A. Ready? Sound.
A.
Sound.
A.
Sound. Sound.
A.
Sound. This is a tricky one. Think, think, think. Sound.
A.
Good job. Sound.
A.
Sound.
Another
Another tricky one. Think, think, think. Sound.
A.
Sound. 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 Oh, let's do this one again. Remember, we're doing A. So if it's up here, it's going to say A. Let's try that one again. Are you ready? Sound. A like in train. Let's try it one more time. Sound. Good job. We're going to go back to and practice. Remember, this one's a little bit tricky because we did do that with the A sound. So this is going to say A. Okay, you ready? We're going to go back to. So watch my finger. Sound. Sound. This one tricked us last time. Let's try to remember. Sound.
A.
Much better. Sound.
I.
Sound.
A.
Sound.
O.
This is a tricky one again. Think, think, think. Sound.
A.
Beautiful job. Okay, individual turns. Whoop. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna start with the trick. I want everybody to think, think, think about this one. Think really hard. What's it gonna say? Who's number 6? You ready? Sound.
A.
Beautiful job. Let's do this one. Everybody thinking? Who's number 3? You ready? Sound.
A.
Good job. Let's do this one. Who's number 10? Sound.
A.
Beautiful job. Oh, I tried to trick